In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain to HostPapa with a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. Transferring a domain may seem daunting, but with this detailed guide, you'll be able to navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to unlock your domain with your current registrar. Log into your account with providers such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or HostArmada. Once logged in, navigate to your domain settings where you'll find the option to unlock your domain. Ensure this is turned on as it's crucial to enable the transfer process. Next, it's time to secure your authorization or EPP code. Back in your current registrar's dashboard, look for the section detailing the transfer authorization code or EPP code. Copy or download this code as it will be necessary for transferring your domain over to HostPapa. Now let's get you into your HostPapa account. Visit HostPapa's dashboard at www.hostpapa.com and log in with your credentials. Once inside, head straight to the My Domain section or directly to Domain Transfer. Starting the transfer is your next crucial step. You'll see an option to transfer a domain to HostPapa. Click this, then enter the domain name you wish to transfer. After entering your domain, hit the Continue button to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter that EPP code you obtained earlier from your previous registrar. Paste the code into the designated field and click Continue. This authorizes HostPapa to handle the transfer on your behalf. Moving forward, HostPapa will require you to verify your contact and payment information. Review your details carefully, ensuring your name, email, and phone details are accurate. You'll also be asked whether or not you wish to add domain privacy protection. This is completely optional but recommended for keeping your personal information private. Complete the payment section to facilitate the domain transfer. Shortly after, you should expect a confirmation email from your old registrar in your inbox. Search for the message and look for the option to approve or confirm the transfer. This step is vital to authenticate the entire process. Finally, be patient as the domain transfer can take anywhere from 5 to 7 days to complete. During this time, HostPapa will work on moving your domain over. Rest assured, you'll receive an email notification once the transfer has been successful. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these clear instructions, transferring your domain to HostPapa is not only possible, but also surprisingly straightforward. Good luck with your online endeavors, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need assistance.